OnPassive is lavishing love on humanity with this gift of O Cademy. Educators can bring out the best in them and the students they teach. This is a treasure that will reward all those dedicated, unappreciated, tireless workers, who have done the best that they could do, with what was on the market before OnPassive introduced O Cademy to the world of e-learning. Instead of being confined to a specific area, O Cademy has opened the entire global, to anyone who is qualified to teach. Student debt for higher education will be drastically reduced. O Cademy will give the educators the ability to teach a few or many. It would be their decision. They will oversee their careers. Parents will have less anxiety and stress knowing that their children are in the good and safe and loving hands of educators using O Cademy's vast sources of learning to educate their children. All students young and old will be protected from the elements of the weather and pandemics. There will be less anxiety in classrooms because the students will be in the safe and warm environment of their homes. Brick and mortar institutions of learning will be seriously impacted by O Cademy and educators using its products. Thanks to Mr. Ashmafare, a brilliant and highly educated man, who saw a need to fill the void the e-learning companies were leaving. One of his desires has been to do what he could do, to eliminate illiteracy worldwide and reach those countries where that problem is widespread and is devastating generations of people who cannot afford to educate their people sufficiently, for them to get a job to be able to provide for their families. O Cademy gives them a cost-effective way to do that. O Cademy is interactive, so nothing is missing between the educators and the students. With O Cademy, no student is left behind. Thank you Mr. Ashmafare and your very talented and hardworking staff for giving the world of e-learning, O Cademy. Now the world of education has all it needs in O Cademy. O Cademy is simple, but sublime. AI technology will lead its users, by their hands with tutorials, on how to use O Cademy. Educators of the world meet your best friend, O Cademy. All dedicated and hard-working and caring educators have a platform that will be used to take higher learning to a new plateau. Many will benefit and make a better life for themselves and their families. This first product of OnPassive has no equal. This is just the beginning. All founders express our deep love and gratitude for the technological and creative geniuses at our India branch of OnPassive. We wholeheartedly applaud you for this incredible accomplishment. Never has there been or will ever be another staff like yours. Just this one product, that you have created, will resonate for decades, in the hearts and minds of those touched by its arrival. Your dedication and loyalty and skills show how much you care about O Cademy and OnPassive. Having many members of your staff, working on one product, shows how important O Cademy is to you and OnPassive's CEO and creator of OnPassive Mr. Ashmafare, the ultimate employer of the best talent from the best high-tech giants of the industry. Millions who doubted OnPassive will rush to become customers of O Cademy. Mr. Ashmafare has created a masterpiece, O Cademy. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.